must have money, they come to do some stuff with my friend, man, she make money. And the woman sell me the restaurant up a pavilion, man.
What you staring at your looking dumb. No, I don't ever hold my tongue. I will never be what you expect. Maybe you need to get your eyes checked. I don't care if you think I'm stuck up. I don't care cause you can't call my bluff. I don't care if you think I'm a clown. I don't care cause you can't pin it down. You can't pin it down.
Can't pay. I'm saying, we not need to 2 days already. We don't have nothing. When we drink water, I don't
Real testimony, guys.
I do a belch and poop and fart and all this.
We
We
can't
wait till the breadfruit them get full. Because we see them when they're young, so they're not green and taste bitter because they're not full, but we don't have no choice. We have someone them called name tire. But we have to dig them and they go and tire and cut them up. We not even have the salt. We put in the pot, but we eat it just for hungry. And most of the man time we go to school, I just the water, we have a big fever grass. So my mother used to just put the water and no sugar, we never have no name sugar. So I just took that for belch off the gas and all them something there. See? My mother used to, every night I get up and cry. And say she'll look and see if we ever see a man, we didn't sleep. Because she'll feel the belly if we did. Hey.
3 years in the bad testimony, y'all laugh, guys.
Hello. I'm never tell you something. Hey them, listen to them. But here ironically is
Oh my God.
all the way go through high school.
My God.
All the way.
The whole 14?
Them time it was common entrance.
Yes, my time.
The one when common entrance before, I never nothing like said GSAT.
No.
Him common entrance and it come out like pan January, it should come out in a day.
Alright, we take the 2 we all like it with the kids.
Alright, so me I tell them so that I may tell us about read brilliant and people in my class teacher they never like it. They might lot about let me play watch him, the ugly self and all this. But we don't go to one of them and I lie that to my tell the truth. That wasn't lie doing it because when we look was how ugly people doing it. You understand? So that wasn't lie them I tell. You understand that? That wasn't lie them I tell. But guess what?
Yes.
It's education though them
No more today.
we're brilliant.
Yes,
We're
that's true.
brilliant. We know school right here. We tell them.
He might have dropped out all the
Yes! 14. So people don't hear all this because mother about how did someone can breed up and get the ugly people in the ear? Like they think here a zoo. Yes! But me tell you, we never go looking with dog for true. So that wasn't like them. That wasn't.
I'm done.
No,
That
this
was
is serious.
And
This is not empty.
oh my God, remember Jesus. 2 days when I eat and I say, oh God, when we fart, this thing is so fart. And nothing in my belly, it's so fart.
Guys, the coach,
Hello, when I turn down the girl with some banana, I'm for the banana right in there. But the young could peel. Mother boy banana in her skin because they can't peel. And then peel time with something, but then taste bitter because they're young. But when I say try eat it because it can make the worm. Because the worm like carving in my belly. Hello, the worm they're wicked. The worm they're wicked.
Hey, that bush.
And of course, the worms are not talking at tongues. So I said, the worms are my belly. I said, boy, I want some meat. When we realize this, the world must say, ugly man wants something to eat. But I laugh and realize that the world not talking at tongue. The worm in the belly. So long after we realize the world must say, ugly man wants something to eat.
So them time they pay you hungry.
Hungry man, they are cheating a life when they're hungry and when they're ugly. So you know got double ugly to know. Remember, because them, no matter how good when you're hungry, you're ugly, And we must say me born ugly, So that was a triple ugly for me, That was not double. They were not joke, they were not tell you.
This serious.
This one true more somebody than me.
But the thing I know, when I go to school and then my bigger brother now, my bigger brother now, go join the police force. Police
Him
force.
tell him serve it too all the time.
The police force and so, and brother got turned big. When they must when them big police go join something up. But different from that, bro. I was brilliant in school. So I reach 4th form now. Brilliant. Me start teach second farm and third farm. Come with brilliant at school not every. I mean, used to get money from the school to pay me every month. So I saw things kind of get nice and all. And my mother used to show off. I walk and dump on the road with herself. I show off, but I was a teacher. I go to school and teach. And I saw no things not so bad for you.
Them leave the woman make you show off. I'm 20 on the day hungry.
Then when I fourth farm, I start teaching school. Because I'm brilliant. And I teach. I start teach geography and history and English. And so every month we used to get pay, as a school I get pay, And them time it was good amount of money I get them time there. So I saw things not so bad for me. And mother could have paid 3 shops in the area. 3 shops in the area. And my mother named all the exercise book, they 20 pieces against the Gloria Plunky. We write to the church and can't pay. So the 3. So when we got shop, the mother said, no. Look here, Pa, look here. I start showing my mother named Gloria Plunky. Chicken back, cornmeal, flour, tin mackerel, everything I show me said, nobody else knew in the book but my mother knew. So we couldn't get that. Oh, one tin of mackerel used to save, share for 15 away, I don't know. So I agree with that. And a pound of rice. 15 away, 1 pound of rice. 1 pound of rice.
That is in your story, testimony.
Hello, and it wasn't. No coconut tile for the matchup, I water mother use and season the mackerel, not coconut tile for coconut fry and in something there. See, and some of that does salt pan it and like probably black pepper. That we can't afford not even onion and scallion and such thing that. We're not kind of tell you. But we heat and garbage. Listen to me. Single bed like so, prison bed. Single bed. Oh, 10 hours you should sleep on that bed. They don't ask me. I don't people bed. And every man get a ring piece full of piece. I'm in a people bed. Tell me something them. My sister and them piss. Me in a piece bed that every morning get up there ring piece. I'm in a people bed. Them so much away. Them come to the back man.
Come to that testimony.
Them so much away old on a single bed we can't hold until like a baby.
A single bed with 2 extra one double bed.
A single bed man. You tell us a single bed man, yes. And we get a single bed there. We get from down at the school.
Every single bed and a little bed.
Little bed, little like
being bed.
Probably chair big on it, all the little narrow and 10 hours old bed.
Yeah.
I mean every man wearing a piece of people bed. Hey, and in time me not have nothing name brief. Nothing name brief. Boy bat.
Oh God.
And we have 1 shirt. 1 little short pants, khaki pants. And trust me, my mother one thing, she never wear dirty the other day. Every evening she will come home, we wash it. And then them time there, but when I time I couldn't go to school for about 3 days because the tailor went in the cars. My mother used to have a big old iron, and you put coal in the iron. And somebody called her for fast and business, and my mother pressed and left it pan it, and it burn out the whole of something. So I couldn't go to school. So a man, Mr. Taylor, I'm a tailor. See him cut off piece of it. Sunday, nothing to eat. Alright, we're going to go on Riverside. We're going to Riverside with something in can't name dasheen. But the after dasheen can boil soup. You know, the after the dasheen can boil soup. The after it, you ever see it? Then call it pepper pot soup. Or the after dasheen. And it just grow a while. So that my mother used to go up just the soup and the water, and sometimes she find little thing of banana women and cut up and I eat. Sometimes I have something I hate to use to eat and bell chaff. Bell chaff is gas with the room. I remember if I cost me more hungry man more hungry and I listen. So I eat.
Well, Pa, this is a true story.
I'm telling you, Deb. And enough time I cry. I'm saying, God, you know, I will take care of my education, take care of my lesson, because now my mother suffer. We have a little room. The office bigger than the room with the man we're in now. Yeah. And my father, me also still watch my father and my mother. I have sex. I mean, never can see them yet. I still my mother do it every week. So whatever I do. I mean, at night time, I still watch my mother and my father. I know as my father can one mother yet. Because my father and I used to sleep on a sponge at ground. And no time to catch up at one night. Me just my father and my mother whole, I mean, not sleep. Unless my mother get pregnant same way. Oh, she get pregnant. I mean, ask my father. Tell me them.
And got bush.
They beat a bush.
Something, but every week mother have a ugly with me. 14 away. And me tell you, I said the time and look at now. My mother live in a 3-story house fully furnished. 3-story. Where we build, my mother know where everything. My mother up there now and to our grandparents. My brother dance to them and then they go with them man. So I just my mother have a big 3-story house.
Look at God.
Gani?
Three stories of my mother, proud of my mother, may I tell you now. You know, my mother have 12 o'clock, two of the ugly name dead. Police on her name, so at 12, you know, and I will take care of my mother. And most of my sister and brother, them just, brother and sister, them that are foreign. So I just, me and my sister, just me and my next police brother, they call next police man, detective sergeant. Just him and that my next sister. But my sister going here, so she just go and come to her husband. You know, but everybody live overseas, I do good and mother can't just do one cup of water.
That's so
Yes, yes.
And
What's
me
a
say,
story?
Hey, me tell you, say,
Part of it said that make it so giving.
yeah, because I don't like when people struggle. Because the situation, you know. One time, you know, in a class and some people in heat, go buy a fritters and beg them peace. And they say, no, ugly one, I beg mom to say, I'm a bad and even go tell my mother beat me. So you mustn't beg. I'm hungry, look at him. Hey, when you say, you know, say the worm, let me see them. Hey, Deb, you know, say the worm, them they're very sensible.
Yeah.
You see, when somebody eat,
Yeah.
and
Go off.
like the worm, them sit, and I cost myself and beg the people, them. So I come, and if them now give me a monkey face. Yeah, so it's embarrassing them. It's embarrassing when my worm, when my cost in their belly. Hey, no, Deb, I'm not joking, you know? It's embarrassing. Hey, Deb, it's embarrassing when the worm. Hello, Mr. David, it's embarrassing. No, people that support on a crime, Deb, I lie to my tell.
True.
Poor is a crime, Deb. Deb, because even if I'm poor,
I would not say it's a crime, it's like a disease.
hey, I'm more than disease.
A crime, man,
It's a-
because it contribute to only for the violence
Hey,
and go on.
Deb, tell you, women lick, I don't know about no, but women lick with Deb.
It motivates some people and
Hey.
it cause some people feel.
Deb, women lucky. Deb, one time, you know, mother used to send you go out one place, and one house, I said, go take time if you can do that. If I'm telling you, mother cook out on Sunday, she don't have nothing. Cook like young banana, young grapefruit, and he use the egg, make sardine, the egg at the meat. Yeah, and one fold, so lay the fold, could have laid all 4 or 5 eggs, and mother go up and cut it up and we get it. And he used to eat on Sunday. When people like rice and peas, we don't know about rice and peas. Because we don't have it. You understand? Oh, boy, I tell you, Jesus. Hey, I'm hungry, make me hungry, so you know. When we look at them, where believe? Then where believe me hungry?
Guys,
Tell me
that's
why.
good.
Hello, tell me why make me hungry, so they think about them. They born ugly, but the hungry make it even more ugly. Hey,
What cause you hungry for make it ugly?
when you're hungry, your face, half of your face burn up like when one tire bust, you know, cause you know, she hungry, your face burn up and yarn, so your mouth are wide nose, your eye them are walk more. Yeah, the hungry cause that. Yeah, that's the hungry. Yeah, it's the hungry cause that. You know, and then I said, God, but guess what? I'm taking in, and the teacher them never too like me because most of the teachers like when people in the class and ugly, you know, and I'm barefoot, so the teacher them never really teach them.
And through them specialize.
And they was when we start take, I'm brilliant and them something there. Right? And the fourth farm now, when the principal, me now forgot, thank God from some man, Mr. Donaldson. Come, and the teacher said, sir, make parties, because I have brilliant, anything you know in the book and all them something there. And the teacher them, get to go off, and me I start teach third farm, second farm, yes. So they don't want to send me from them time they go to teacher, Christian teacher. They don't want to send me pay money for camera. For camera Michael, but me don't want to teach him because they don't want to send me Michael. Because I'm brilliant, you know. Because the fourth farm, you know, I go send me to college, me I teach, you know, and people I pass, I get good pass mark. So they love, hello, they love me. So enough teacher never too like that. No teacher never too like that. Come in a staff room and to me ugly and teacher never look at me that put me to me ugly in a staff room as a teacher.
Why you ugly?
Yeah, true. No, you don't know what. You should ask me from first. And to me start eating now, so the ugliness kind of gone. To me start eating now. When we so little and hungry. There, when we talk about
fat. Not ugly as him.
There, when we talk about fat, Jesus. Hey, when you're not eating a fat, you know, they be up. These are bad gas, Jesus. You know. Hello.
But look what God has done.
I'm saying God has. Hey, them. Me tell you something. God is good. I own my first car when I was 18 years old. I work and save money as a teacher. I do something. And then I'm married mine. Everybody that something start proud. I said, Jesus. Oh, that because them car never so common that time.
Right name?
Morris Minor. My little carry the field nearly feel like on VW, bug them stay. I mean, I tell them, put it up good, a blue one, put it up good, everybody, I mean, when I show off, see? When I show off, tell me I drive my son. And that, big brother turn police and so. Things start coming with them, the big brother start help you out and the big sister them start work and your mother stop things.
Things that generate
And everything and then something there and you know, I'm brilliant and then something there. And then the summer, after that I start work on Grace Distribution Center. Grace can own it on 230 Spanish Town Road, right where I have narcotic office there. And start work, good money. And I go there for an holiday job. The priest and Mr. Douglas Orenos friend, and him ask him and him send me. I start get good pay and then I first me I get some money in my life. I can't believe the first two me get money, we just don't idiot. We I cut money, then I have the $10, them pay $10 them, and the money me, and said they be, what money me get enough? They be turn fool. We said Jesus, me no for walk in the money, then I boss me take. And I say me put have one shoes, and we put all the money in the shoes, and my foot can't go in the shoes. I want the money, and I call him, we then tell him on the phone, and I say Jesus, where for the money? And one boy tricked me, and like, so I said no man. The boy said, alright my friend, don't carry money. I show you that part where you can dig out that one and hide it. I rather the boy want to write money.
him to go take a TikTok back.
And I said, no sir, I carry money. I say, everybody, we go off a tree. And then they have some little VW and some little transit when I run from 3 Mile to half a tree. I have the money, but see me, I know that country come from, both come from me. I have all my money, and we have 2 hands in my pocket. Because I know it's the money me not to
And them take off the hand with the pocket, but they know.
Hey, when I go and tell my mother, come and start show off and going and little sister them and see what's money, make it and show money, then start count and everybody, hello. I whoop my money, yeah, Grace, I tell her, thank God Grace in the I tell her. And start, so we start nice now. I saw me know how chicken taste now, because one time I know chicken taste now. Ah, God, I pay tin mackerel and chicken back. No chicken taste. Can't afford it.
Look at you now.
That's what I tell them.
Eat anything you
Can't
want.
eat anything you
That's
want.
why when we come here, people are like say, Paul, like when people come here, they are like say, Paul, no sir. Where stay so wicked? When I pull me covered now, them you come here, food they pick. When you pull me freezer, I have a freezer, and store meat. Plus I have a fridge. I saw me buy food. Pack it up. Most of the time I go and give it because I can't use it. Then I give it. But guess what? I not go where I come from. I ask God and God, I gotta bless me. I not do no wicked. I not have no thieving or doing something there and that. I mean till I say, cash plus. Me then tell the money I run for me because I used to do some stuff with my friend and money I run and then something there. And I remember introduced me and said, Paul, Giant Cash Plus. The Giant Cash Plus. Put in money and everything alright. When I make the money and I turn it back in and get mash better. A $15 million I lose that cash plus, you know. And I 1 month my nature did from my peanuts couldn't stand up there. We dead. No laugh. 1 month. Hey, them. My friend always say, go Pegasus and jump out and do it because people couldn't find the people on it.
15 million the same nature gone.
Dead. My foot dead. The guy over here dead. Just lay down on my foot and say, boy, I know get up about Mr. Plum. They don't know, they're saving money.
Yes, tell me.
Hello, $15 million, you know. I'm more than that, but more than that.